I'm sure you've all seen the videos on YouTube about how you can make $40 in just 30 minutes using Google Translate. And I've even seen some people rake in up to $2K per week. That might totally blow your mind and sound unbelievable, but actually, I'm going to show you exactly what to do, and we'll see if this method really works right here, right now in this video. You don't need to have any fancy skills or experience, and you can do this from pretty much anywhere in the world, which is super convenient and means that this method is beginner friendly, so no sweat there. All you need is Wi-Fi and your laptop. Let's get straight into it. So, we're going to be doing something called CPA marketing with Google Translate. In case you're not familiar with CPA, don't worry, it just stands for cost per action. And it's a handy way to make money online without the hassle of selling anything. Instead, you earn cash for getting people to do simple actions, like entering an email address or a mobile number. Sure, the pay might not be as high as traditional methods, but hey, who doesn't love some extra cash, right? So, in this video, I'm gonna spill the beans on how to choose those high-paying offers and drive traffic to them using the method I'm about to reveal. Trust me, it's gonna be a game changer. Alright guys, let's kick things off with the website we'll be using for the offers, CPA Grip. It's a well-known platform with a bunch of cool offers to choose from. And guess what? All you need is a PayPal account to get paid. Simple stuff, right? So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of making that sweet cash with CPA marketing. First things first, head over to CPA Grip and create an account. Just click on that register button at the top right corner, fill in your details, hit the register now button, and bam! Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Take a look around and you'll see the public chat section where users share their awesome results. It's inspiring, trust me. Now, the first step is to choose those high-paying offers. To do that, just go to the left side of the screen and click on Offer Tools. Then select My Offers. In the country section, you'll see your country already selected, along with the available offers in your neck of the woods. If you want to sort them by the top paying ones, just click on Payout. And check out the Type section on the left to see if the offer is for desktop, iOS, or Android. When you click on an offer, a window pops up. It shows you the link you'll be promoting and what info your visitors need to provide for you to earn that sweet commission. To grab your affiliate link, just hit that Copy Link button. Oh, and take a peek at the thumbnail too. It gives you a preview of what the offer page looks like when someone clicks your link. Okay, so now it's time to filter and find the best offers. Focus on European countries like France, Italy, Germany, and Spain. These places usually offer higher payouts for each action. Just click on your country and type in the country you want to target. Let's say we go for Italy. So, just click the button to sort the offers by payout and find the highest paying ones to promote. Check this out. There's an offer that pays a whopping almost $20 for every person who completes the task. So, here's the deal. It's important to be familiar with the offer so you can promote it like a pro. You probably all know about iPhones, right? Well, let's choose this iPhone giveaway offer, which pays out almost $20. That's not too shabby, right? Okay guys, so once you've picked out an offer to promote, take a peek at the offer page info. Now, because the text is Italian, we will need to translate it. So, if you copy this Italian text, pop it into Google Translate, you'll see what it says in English. Simple enough. To promote this offer, all you gotta do is click that Copy Link button, save the link on Google Docs or Notepad because this is what you'll be sharing. And guess what? When someone clicks on your link and completes the task, the cash goes straight into your PayPal account. Pretty sweet, right? Now, I'm going to show you guys a website that'll turbocharge our link promotion and bring it some sweet, free traffic. It's called trafficadbar.com, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. With this, you'll literally get over 1,000 visitors every 3 days to your website or the link we're going to be sharing. How awesome is that? So, let's say that only 10 visitors click on our link and enter their mobile numbers or whatever detail it is. Boom, we rake in around $200. Now, picture this on a larger scale. If 1,000 visitors complete the task, we're talking about a mind-boggling $20,000. And here's the kicker. It'll only take us around 15 minutes to set everything up. I mean, seriously, that's nothing compared to the potential earnings we're looking at. Let's keep it real though. Even if only 1% of the visitors actually perform the action, we're still looking at over $200. Worst case scenario, if just one person does the action, we still pocket around $20 for less than 15 minutes of work, which is still a sweet deal. So let's get cracking and post our link on this incredible website to generate that free traffic we're after. Signing up for TrafficAdbar.com is easy. Just click on that sign up button, enter your first name and email address, simple stuff. Then hit that join button. You'll get an activation link in your email inbox, so make sure to click on it to activate your account. Click Next and follow the setup process. Oh, and don't forget to create a password, choose a username, and click that Check Username button. Finally, hit the Create Account button and you're good to go. Okay guys, now this is where the magic happens. It's time to add the link we generated from CPA Grip. Remember, every time someone clicks on that link and performs the action, we're gonna cash in that sweet $20. So let's do this. First things first, go back to the CPA link you saved earlier. I've got mine right here in my notepad. Copy that and paste it directly into TrafficAdbar. But hold up, we want to make our link more appealing and boost those click rates. How? By shortening it. So just head over to bit.ly.com, create an account and log in. Grab that long link you got from CPA Grip, go to bit.ly and click on Create a New Link. Paste the link in there and give it a nice, catchy title. Hit that Create button and bam! We've got ourselves a short link. Click on Copy to save it. You can use any other link shortening site to do this as well. Now, hop on back to TrafficAdbar. Paste that shiny new link right here and hit that Add Website button. Boom! It's in there, ready to attract those eager visitors. Don't forget to add some flavor to your ad. Let's head over to Google Translate. Choose the language you're translating from. I'm going with English, then select the language you're translating to. In this case, let's say Italian. Now, type something catchy, like iPhone giveaway, and copy the Italian translation. Paste it into the title section of TrafficAdbar. Sprinkle in another line like sign up right now and do the same. Copy the Italian translation and paste it there. Scroll down a bit and choose the language of the ad. Since we're targeting Italian-speaking people, select Italian. Then scroll a tad further and choose Italy. This way, our ad targets visitors from the beautiful land of Italy. Lastly, pick a date for when you want your ad to be seen. Choose a time that works for you. Then click that Save button and we're good to go. Get ready to unleash some serious traffic to our link. It's gonna be epic. Now, here's a bonus tip just for you. To amp up that free traffic game even more, why not give TikTok or YouTube Shorts a shot? Create videos about the iPhone or the offer you want to promote, and you can attract millions of free traffic visitors with minimal effort. You can also promote your link on Pinterest, on Facebook groups, and pretty much anywhere and everywhere you can think of. The more eyeballs you get on your link, the more clicks you'll get, the more submissions you'll get, and the more money you'll make. Now look guys, I know there are a ton of videos out there and a million different ways to make money. That's why I try to keep everything simple and cover as much as I can here on my channel, where I test out different strategies and share what I've learned and what works directly with you. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.